Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the jewelry surface thoroughly. This removes oils that prevent adhesion. Once done, pick a sticker size that matches the piece so edges won't overhang. Use tweezers to avoid fingerprints and position the item on a flat, stable surface under good light. Make sure to dry the area for 30 to 60 seconds after wiping. You'll want tools ready, tweezers, a toothpick for alignment, and a soft cloth to move quickly before the adhesive picks up dust. You peel the backing slowly so the adhesive stays clean. Touching it reduces stickiness. Then, hold the sticker with tweezers and place one edge down first, aligning it to the gem or metal edge for a seamless look. Once set, press the center and smooth outward with a toothpick or your fingertip to remove air pockets. Make sure to apply even pressure for 10-15 seconds so the adhesive bonds well. Finally, check angles and realign quickly if it's off by a hair. You finish by sealing the edges with steady pressure, holding for about 10 seconds. This secures the bond so it lasts through light wear. Once done, wait 5 to 10 minutes before handling or wearing to let the adhesive cure. If any overhang shows, carefully trim excess with a sharp scissor or craft blade for a flush finish. If a corner lifts later, re-clean the spot with alcohol, let it dry completely, and apply a fresh sticker. Adhesive contamination is the usual cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.